This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to stop losing on meme coins. It's easy to get caught up in the hype, but remember these assets are incredibly volatile. Before diving in, commit to only investing an amount you are completely comfortable losing. This isn't financial advice, but a foundational mindset. Maintaining emotional discipline is key. Avoid making impulsive decisions based on fear or greed. A calm approach can make all the difference in this fast-paced market. Before putting any money into a meme coin, thorough research is absolutely essential. Look into the project's community. A strong, active, and organic following is a good sign. Check the token's liquidity and how it's distributed among holders to spot potential red flags. Also, try to learn about the development team. Transparency and a track record of legitimate projects are very important indicators of trustworthiness. This due diligence can save you from significant losses. Effective risk management is your best friend in the meme coin space. Instead of going all in on one coin, diversify your portfolio by allocating only a small percentage, perhaps 1 to 5%, to these high-risk assets. Crucially, set clear profit targets. For example, aim to take out your initial investment after a 50% gain. Also, consider using stop-loss orders to automatically sell if the price drops by a certain amount, like 20%, protecting your capital. Finally, learn to identify and avoid common scams and excessive hype. Be extremely cautious of any project that promises unrealistic returns or guaranteed profits. These are almost always red flags. Educate yourself on the signs of rug pulls and pump-and-dump schemes, where developers or large holders manipulate prices. Remember, patience is a virtue in this market. Avoid chasing coins that have already seen massive gains. Often, the best opportunities require a bit of waiting and strategic entry.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.